My beloved child, before you scroll away, pause for a moment. I need you to hear this, not with your ears, but with your heart. There comes a time in life when it feels like everything you built has fallen apart. A time when the room is quiet. Prayers seem to rise, but nothing seems to return. And you whisper, "Why did this happen to me?" Maybe you lost someone you loved. Maybe your dreams shattered. Maybe your peace slowly slipped through your fingers. Now you sit there, exhausted, empty, feeling forgotten. But you were not forgotten. I saw every tear. I was there in the silence. I watched you trying to stay strong while everything inside you was breaking. I heard the prayer you could not even speak. And today I want you to know something holy, something personal. I am going to restore you. This is not wishful thinking. This is my promise. I hold time in my hands. I control seasons. I create miracles. I know how much you endured. The nights you cried yourself to sleep, the days you forced a smile, the moments you felt invisible. I saw it all, and I am not ignoring your pain. I am already working, quietly, carefully, perfectly. What you thought was the end was only a page turning. I have not closed the book of your life. Yes, you lost things, a relationship, an opportunity, your health, even parts of yourself, but I am the God who rebuilds. And when I restore, I do not simply return what was taken. I multiply. I turn ashes into beauty, grief into joy, weakness into strength. In my hands, loss is never final. It becomes the beginning of something greater. One day your story will speak. And someone will say, if God did this for them, He can do it for me. You ask why you had to walk this road. Listen carefully. It was not punishment. It was preparation. It shaped you. It refined you. Yes, it hurt. But it also cleared the ground for something more beautiful than you have ever known. You may not see it yet, but healing is moving toward you. Restoration is coming. The doors that closed are making space for better doors to open. Trust me, I am not finished with you, my beloved child. The ones who walked away were not a mistake. They were making room for the people who will stay, who will understand, who will love you the right way. The opportunities you missed did not escape my hand. They were not meant for you. My best for your life has never been canceled. It is still coming. I know it is hard to trust again. After disappointments, after prayers that seemed delayed, after beginnings that ended too soon, I understand why hope feels dangerous. But I am still whispering to you. I am not done with you. I am still writing your story. Every tear has been counted. Every heartbreak has been seen. Every moment of waiting has meaning. Nothing was wasted. What I bring back to you will not look like what you lost. It will be better. It will be holy. It will fit your soul in ways you cannot yet imagine. You have carried this pain for a long time. Come, give it to me. I do not only want to comfort you. I want to transform you. I am not simply repairing old ruins. I am building something new, something stronger, something that will last. So let yourself believe again. Open your heart, even if it is only a little. Do not let yesterday chain your tomorrow. Do not let fear speak louder than faith. Let me move. Let me rebuild your peace. Let me restore your purpose. Let me heal the places no one else can reach. What you thought was finished is breathing again. Right now, I am gathering every broken piece. Nothing is lost to me. I place each part exactly where it belongs. And one day you will look back and understand why it had to happen this way. What you lost will never compare to what is coming. The joy ahead will silence the pain behind. So breathe. Release what you cannot change. Hold tightly to me, the one who never changes, and hear me clearly. I will restore you, not by accident, not by chance, but in my perfect timing, in my perfect wisdom. Trust me, even now. Especially now. Your breakthrough is already moving toward you, my child. Sometimes life makes you feel invisible. As if no one sees your effort, no one notices your struggle, and even heaven feels quiet. You pray, but there is no answer. You cry, but the silence remains. Days pass. Nights stretch longer, and deep inside, a question forms. Have I been forgotten? If this is where you are right now, pause, breathe, listen closely. This message is for you. I have not forgotten you, not even for a moment. I know exactly where you stand. I know how long you have waited. I saw every tear fall. I heard every whisper. I felt the ache you hid from everyone else. Even when you thought you were alone, I was beside you, guarding, carrying, working in places you could not see. You may feel delayed, but you are not denied. You may feel lost, but you are not abandoned. You are still mine, and my eyes have never left you. What feels like darkness is not the end of your story. Even in the longest night, I am preparing the dawn. Something is coming toward you. Yes, a miracle. You may not recognize it at first. It may arrive differently than you expected, but it will come, not because you are perfect, but because I am faithful. I made you a promise. I do not leave. I do not walk away. And I always finish what I begin. I am not finished with you. What tried to break you will become the place I bless you. Where others walked away, I am stepping in. What life attempted to steal, I am preparing to restore. You did not come this far to be deserted now. That silent season had purpose. The valley had meaning. It built strength inside you. It shaped your spirit. It prepared you for what is ahead. You do not need to chase blessings. Trust the one who sends them, even when you are tired, even when waiting hurts, even when you do not understand. Faith is not always knowing the destination. Faith is trusting the guide, and I am leading you somewhere beautiful. You may not feel it yet, but things are moving. Doors are beginning to open. Chains are beginning to fall. Heaven is already at work for you. That situation you keep praying about, I am in it. That weight you carry each day, I am lifting it. That pain you hide behind your smile, healing is on its way. Do not stop believing. You are closer than you realize. Closer to breakthrough, closer to peace, closer to restoration. Stay with me, my child. Every tear you cried mattered. Every moment you chose faith instead of fear has been recorded in heaven. Your pain has purpose. Your delay has design, and your miracle has already been set in motion. I am the shepherd who leaves the 99 to search for the one, and you are that one. I watched over you when you felt nothing. I held you together when you were falling apart. Soon I will show you why the wait was necessary, why the loss was permitted, why my timing never fails. So do not surrender to despair. Do not let darkness write the final line. Your story is not ending. It is finally beginning. I am about to move in your life in a way you did not expect, in a way you could not predict, in a way you once called impossible, and when it happens you will look back and see the truth. I never left you, not once. I was preparing the perfect miracle at the perfect moment. So hold on a little longer, keep your heart open, keep believing, because the silence is breaking, the light is rising, and your miracle is on the way.